Namaste. Today we are going to do side plank pose, or in Sanskrit, Vasisthasana. This pose is great for strengthening and toning the arms, core, and legs. It also tests your balance, helping to improve focus and concentration. First, sit in your Vasisthasana pose and stay here for one breath. Then, slowly go to your plank pose. Pressing firmly through your hands with your shoulders aligned over your wrist, keeping your core muscles and legs engaged. Slowly, roll both your heels to the left. Stack your right foot on top of your left leg. Draw your legs together and push out through the feet. Press down the left hand and raise your right hand. Keep your lower belly engaged and your tailbone long. Stay in this pose for 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale. To release from this pose, lower your right hand and back to plank pose. Then knees down and back to your Vasisthasana pose. Repeat on the other side.